We have our high card points. Those aren't going to change. We're just going to add to the high card point idea. Right? Aces are 4, kings are 3, queens are 2, jacks are 1. In addition to the high card points, we're going to have long suit points and short suit points. The long suit points, let's just big idea here. Long suit points are going to be all the time, every seat position, opener, responder, intervener, advancer, all the time. We're going to count long suit points with one exception. And that one exception is when we're going to count short suit points. And we're going to take a look at those in just a second. So let's get a hang of this long suit points. You get 1 point for each additional card after the first 4. All right. Another way of saying it is you get 1 point for each additional card starting with the 5th card in the suit. Saying the same thing, whichever works for you. Now let's talk the theory. Why do we want to count these? Remember I said at the very beginning that hand evaluation is not just high card points, right? What takes tricks are high card points plus extra lengthened suits, and in some contracts, short suits. So this 5th card right here, King 5, 4, 3, 2, right? That 5th card, we're going to give 1 point for it. And I would rather count 1 point for that 5th card than 1 point for any jack in my hand. In other words, it's far more likely that that 5th card in the suit will become a trick. And that's what we're trying to figure out in our hand evaluation. It will become a trick far more often than a random jack in my hand. Now I count my jacks, don't get me wrong, but if you're thinking, oh, if I start counting all of this, I'm going to get too high and I'm not going to make my contract. Well, then, choose your length points over your jacks, honestly. So in this hand, if in this suit, you'd have 3 points, 3 high card points for the king, plus 1 length point. Long suit points are also called length points. And so we have 4 total points.